Why I started learning cybersecurity beginner's story.
Hi guys, my name is Daniel, but I prefer you call me Proficient Daniel. My journey so far in cybersecurity has been very hard, to be sincere. Sometimes, before I started, I used to think that hackers was this kind of pros or criminals though. But after learning more, I realized there's a whole world of ethical hackers who protect companies' data and people's data and so many huge amounts of data from hackers. But right now, I am currently learning Kali Linux, Wireshark, and other hacking tools. It has not been an easy thing. So my goal is to one day work in a cybersecurity firm, help people stay safe, most especially online, and maybe one day get into ethical hacking, of course, which I've always wanted to do. I'll be posting content on cybersecurity and to educate you more on protecting your digital device and also your data, most especially. So, I don't know how to say this. This is actually kind of the first content I'm creating, but you can like, comment, and repost or share this